はい、こんにちは。Let's start making a very basic Japanese sentence from zero. Okay. Today we want to start with this is a pen. Okay, that's a very simple English sentence. Okay, let's make it Japanese sentence. Okay. Okay, maybe you can find out this. Okay, this is これ。Okay, then is です。Then pen, a pen. Maybe you want to know what is a in Japanese. But Japanese language doesn't care much about a pen, a book. Okay, just leave it. Pen. Pen is pen ですね。Okay. How to say this is a pen in Japanese? You might say これですpen. これですpen. Yeah, you might think this is a sentence in Japanese, but unfortunately, this is a common mistake for non-native Japanese speakers. Okay, because Japanese language has different word order. Okay, let me show you typical Japanese sentence structure. Of course, there are many variations, but this is a foundation. Okay, many Japanese sentences start with topic, followed by wa. Wa is a topic marker. Then followed by noun, followed by particle, then end with verb. Okay, if so, sentence structure would be this is a pen. Okay, word order is this pen is. That's a Japanese word order. Yes, I know it sounds weird, but that's a Japanese word order. Okay, let's make it. As we discussed, this is これ。Then followed by は。As I said, wa is a topic marker. Okay, in this sentence, これ, this is a main topic. We want to talk about this. Then noun. Okay, in this case, pen. As I said, a Japanese language doesn't care about a. We just translate pen. Then followed by is, which is this. Then end with Japanese full stop. Then you might think, Sensei, what is particle in this case? Actually, we don't need particle in this case. Particle is like a to, in, on, at, from, to. This kind of word. In this sentence, we don't have this kind of particle. That's why we can just leave it. Okay, これはペンです。これはペンです。That's a correct Japanese sentence. Okay, let's expand from here a little bit. How do you say, is this a pen? Is this a pen? In English, we need to replace is and this, then adding question mark at the end of the sentence. But Japanese language is different. All you need is just adding ka at the end of the sentence. Of course, end with full stop. これはペンですか?これはペンですか? Word order is still same. All you need is ka to the end of the sentence to create yes/no question. これはペンですか? Is this a pen? これはペンですか? Okay, let's create another sentence. How do you say, is this a pizza? Is this a piece of pizza? これはピザですか?これはピザですか? Good. はい。じゃあ、how do you say, is this a computer? Is this a computer? これはコンピューターですか? これはコンピューターですか？That means, is this a computer? ですね。Of course, when you answer, you can use yes and no in Japanese. How do you say yes in Japanese? はい。はい means yes. How do you say no in Japanese? いいえ。いいえ。いいえ means no. So, if someone asks you, これはペンですか？これはペンですか？You can say, はい、これはペンです。はい、これはペンです。or, いいえ、これはペン。How do you say not in Japanese? Okay, if you watched previous videos, you should know what is not in Japanese. Particularly, if it's this, we normally use じゃない、じゃない、じゃない means not. Of course, there are many other variations, but at this stage, to make things simple, let's keep it じゃない。Okay, once again, if someone say これはペンですか？ If it's yes, you can say はい、これはペンです。If it's not, いいえ、これはペンじゃないです。Likewise, if someone asks you, これはピザですか？これはピザですか？ If it's yes, you can say, はい、これはピザです。はい、これはピザです。If it's no, you can say, いいえ、これはピザじゃないです。いいえ、これはピザじゃないです。Then if someone asks you, これはコンピューターですか？これはコンピューターですか？ If it's yes, you can say, はい、これはコンピューターです。はい、これはコンピューターです。Then if it's no, you can say, いいえ、これはコンピューターじゃないです。いいえ、これはコンピューターじゃないです。That's the basic yes/no questions in Japanese. Okay, today we start with, is this a pen? Then word order is very important. This is a pen is これはペンです。Then if you want to make it yes/no question, you can add か to the end of the sentence. これはペンですか？これはペンですか？If it's yes, はい、これはペンです。If it's no, いいえ、これはペンじゃないです。Okay, that's the main topic for today. I hope you understand today's topic. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. はい、ありがとうございました。